Hello guys, welcome to All Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to use if function in MS Office, Microsoft Excel. We are going to find the grade, which is test score over here, 85, 70, 55, 71, 55, 56, and we are going to find the grade of these students. And this is a very common assignment in school, so maybe it will help you guys how to find it. Just click over here and write down equal sign first, and then you have to write down if, and after that which one we have to find out over here, which is c4 which is greater than 80, and the answer should be what? A. If you find out the A, close the bracket, and here you go, the answer is A. But for this one, you have to find out the B2 over here, 70, 65, 71, 55, 56. So what you have to do, come inside the bracket again, put comma, again, if again, and what you have to do, open up the bracket and close it right now. And go inside the bracket again, and then C4, we know that, okay, we have the value over here, which is greater than 70, comma, and the answer should be what? B, right? We found it A. Now we are finding out B. So we found the B. Again, we put the comma, if, open up the bracket, close the bracket. Then you go inside again, and C4 is greater than what? 60, comma. Then the answer should be C. Quotation mark is closed. And then we found the C, comma again, if, open the bracket, close the bracket, come inside the bracket. So C4 is greater than 50. And here you go, 50. And the answer should be what? D. Here you go. So we open up the 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets, and we are closing the 4 brackets at the end. And when you press the enter, no, okay. A. Here you go. And when you do the double click over here you go. Do the double click over here, and you see that 70 is giving us the answer C. Why is it giving us the answer C? We'll go here, A, on the A, put equal sign, again, put equal sign, equal, and equal. So what you have to do, go back here. A small plus sign, you have to double click over here. So it will, when you do the double click over here, it will change everything over here too. It's going to be the same formula. Did you see that? It changed from C to B up here. So that's how you have to find out the grades. I hope you like the video. Subscribe our channel. So we are coming back with a lot more videos, and it will be very helpful in your assignment and in your school, in your office, on the job. Thank you. Have a good day.